Live updates from the schools.
Lagi nag-upload ka sa kalagitnaan ng pag-ikot ko.
Oo. Grabe. Habang umiihi ako, niyanig ako. Diba?
Andito na tayo sa Siang Airport kung saan kinakausap ako ng konsensya ko ngayon maya. Yan,
Yeah.
bigla.
Mind.
Mind your step. Makahay naman, kala mo layo ng biniyahin natin, kapitbahay lang natin to.
Oo, pero we're now in Singapore and we're going to make our 48 hours worthy.
Yes, very worth. Actually, it's more than 48 hours but generally parang
Yung two full-
48, two
Oo.
full days lang talaga yung capacity namin mag-travel due to the flight delay. And, but don't worry, sabi nga namin in Singapore, all business.
This is all business, no romantic feelings involved. And I just would like to announce that Panda cannot make it.
Yes,
Due to inclement weather, hindi siya natuyo
we succeeded.
after niyang maligo.
Actually, nandun ako sa condo nyo kagabi. Binasa ko siya lalo.
Hindi
Pero
talaga
yun.
siya natuyo kasi
Pero-
hindi umaraw.
Pero yun, we're gonna go ahead and give you a full documentation of the Simula at Wakas Singapore leg. So please stand by for our updates because we will keep you posted for tomorrow's ganap and of course the concert.
Oo, at saka yung mga 18 na nandito at subscribers natin, pwede mag-comment down below.
Yes,
Para
let
alam
us
na, para
know.
aware kami na nandito kayo.
Yes.
Aware kami kung sinong iiwasan.